Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Gear Up with Greggs. My name is Terry, and I'm one of the many employee investors here at Gregg Distributors. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the Armor All line of exterior and interior car cleaners. Now, speaking from experience, there is nothing worse than driving around in a dirty, smelly vehicle, whether it be your own, a friend's, or maybe your Uber drivers. It's never a pleasant situation. That's where our Armor All car care products come in handy. Personally, when I'm cleaning my car, I like to start with the exterior. I do a lot of highway driving, which means I'm always driving a muddy, dust-covered bug graveyard on wheels. To combat this, I turn to the liquid concentrate car wash. This powerful cleaner lifts away dirt and road grime, leaving your car with a streak-free, spot-free finish. You'll rest easy knowing that this product is gentle enough not to strip the finish off your vehicle, but powerful enough to lift away the toughest of dirt and road grime. During the car care process, the part that I dread the most is the front bumper and grille. More often than not, it's covered in bugs, and they're the hardest to get off, which is why I pour some undiluted car wash directly on the spot and I let it soak for a few minutes. Then the bugs wash right off. When I finish my first wash, I go over the car a second time with the Armor All Ultra Shine Wash and Wax. This formula features advanced surface lubricants that lift away any remaining dirt and is infused with real carnauba wax. What's carnauba wax? Well, it's a natural wax that comes from a palm only grown in Brazil, and that's why it's also known as palm wax or Brazil wax. It's an ingredient in many foods and household products, which is why you might think your car smells like candy when you wax it. That's right, carnauba wax is used both to polish your car and to coat candies like gummy bears. On your car, this wax helps the water bead, leaving you with a mirror-like finish. All you need is 1 ounce per gallon of water, which means you get almost 65 washes from one 2-liter bottle. So, why use an automotive car wash when you could save some money and use some good old dish soap? Well, some dish soaps can actually strip the wax from the car's finish. Car wash soaps are specifically developed for automotive paint surfaces so they can keep your car clean and shiny without running the risk of damaging that high-level gleam. The last step I take when washing the exterior of my car is cleaning the rims and tires. Your wheels are constantly under assault by grease, road grime, and brake dust that gets baked on by the intense heat created while driving. The triple action formula of the Extreme Rim Cleaner is specifically formulated to attack all three: grease, road grime, and brake dust, dissolving them to reveal your beautiful, shiny rims. To use this product, start by wetting your wheels down with the hose. Then hold the bottle 6 inches from the rims and spray. After allowing the foam to penetrate and remove the dirt and grime, thoroughly rinse the rims and dry with a cloth. Then it's time for the tires. Armor All has an extensive lineup of tire care products that leave your tires just as shiny as the day you bought them. I personally use the Ultra Shine Tire Foam, but there are also sprays and gels available that leave your tires shiny and black. Using the foam is as simple as shaking the can and spraying the sidewalls from 6 inches away, making sure to avoid the treads. You then let the product sit and work its magic. It's as easy as that. The intense foam activates on contact, safely floating the dirt away without scrubbing. Now, why would you want to avoid the tread? Because tire sprays and gels add oil to your tires, making them slick. You wouldn't want to drive around with oil on your steering wheel because it would affect your grip and traction, and it's the same for your tires. So why use a tire foam? Well, it's not just about cleaning the tire and restoring its shine. Armor All tire products help prevent ozone degradation which can cause drying, cracking, and fading. This helps keep your tires and your car at their best. So, we finished washing the outside of the car. Now we'll move on to the interior to give it a matching shine. I'm definitely guilty of eating and drinking in my car, and unfortunately it's led to multiple spills, and I like to tackle them using the Oxy Magic Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. You see, your car's carpet and upholstery take a serious beating from stains and ground-in dirt. The Oxy Magic Cleaner brings fabric back to life, restoring its plush, luxurious beauty using breakthrough cleaning technology. It powers through even the most stubborn stains and begins dissolving them on contact. The best part is that you can use it on almost all surfaces in your car, like the carpet, upholstery, vinyl, and floor mats. This product penetrates deep into the fibers to break up tough ground-in dirt and remove stains like mud, coffee, cola, ink, grass, and motor oil. After sprucing up the upholstery, we can move on to the dashboard, center console, and door panels. Here at Gregg's, we carry both cleaning wipes and sprays. These lint-free wipes are great for daily spot cleaning and upkeep. And they come in pop-up containers of 25 wipes with a moisture lock lid, which keeps them fresh for at least a year. Today, we'll focus on a good all-purpose spray, the original Protectant. Your vehicle is exposed to dirt, grime, and harmful elements like UV rays and oxidation every day that can cause cracking, fading, and discoloration on the plastic and vinyl surfaces of your car. The original Protectant works to clean away the dirt and grime while simultaneously renewing and revitalizing these surfaces, leaving behind a deep shine with a grease-free finish. To prevent overspray, I like to spray the product onto a cloth first and then wipe the desired surface. Not only is this product perfect for the inside of your car, it can also be used on the plastic trim and rubber exterior as well. It can even be used on the plastic hoses and engine covers under the hood. Using a Protectant spray keeps your car's surfaces clean and protected against everyday wear and UV rays, helping to keep your investment looking as new as the day you bought it. The final step I like in maintaining the cleanliness of my car is wiping down the windows and mirrors. Some household glass cleaners contain ammonia, which works well in the home, but can harm many car surfaces, including window tinting, vinyl, rubber, and leather. It can also be hazardous to your health. That's why using an auto glass cleaner specifically formulated to be ammonia-free is recommended. Armor All Auto Glass Cleaner is formulated specifically to your car to tackle the toughest automotive jobs without damaging surfaces. It leaves a streak-free, clear shine and easily removes filmy residue, road grime, bugs, fingerprints, and more. For best results, use a microfiber towel to obtain that perfect shine and clean the glass out of direct sunlight, which can evaporate glass cleaners too quickly, leaving a streaky residue. To avoid overspray, consider using the Auto Glass Cleaning Wipes. Use a circular pattern to spread the cleaner on the glass, and then use another part of the towel to wipe dry and leave a streak-free shine. If you lower your windows about an inch, you can even clean the top part of the glass. I also like to keep a package of glass cleaning wipes in my car for touch-ups, such as wiping off tree sap or bird droppings, cleaning fogged up windows, or wiping off sticky handprints. Well, that's all the car care tips I have for you today. If you have any questions about the products I've discussed in this video, please don't hesitate to call us, or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Terry, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Greggs.